What's up? Roll, day 4. Okay, guys. I know I'm not looking at y'all properly, but it's hard because I'm looking at myself. So if I'm looking the other way, God bless y'all hearts because I have to. But anyway, today is hair wash day. Y'all, I don't know about you guys, but I get so bored with my hair. I have not a freaking clue what to do anymore. Going curly is boring. Going straight is boring. Every freaking thing is boring. So let me wash this Jones. Y'all see this gray though? What y'all know about that gray though? God bless everything. I'll be back. Oh yeah. Okay, y'all. This is the end result of my hair. Needless to say, I'm not really totally feeling it, but hey, it'll do what it do. So anyway, today's topic is to find your passion. Y'all, it's not always easy, but life is too short. Like, trust and believe, life is too short to be doing something that you don't enjoy doing. So if you wake up every morning and you be like, I hate this damn job, go to hell job. That is not your passion, obviously. So explore today of what makes you happy. What do you truly enjoy doing? And guess what? That's what you need to be doing. I love crafting, so guess what I do, y'all? I craft. So find your passion today, guys. And let me find me a new hairstyle because mm-mm. Deuces.